And now what I wanted to show you is after you start to have your creature just the way that you want them, you need to save it and send it to me. But say I'm working on this and obviously I'm not done. I'm not crazy about how all this looks and I might want to change the background or whatever it might be. So I want to keep all my layers. So I'm going to show you two different ways to save your work. One, if you're going to continue working, and the second is if you're going to be sending it to me. So go up to File and Save As. Okay. Name it your first and last name and your creature. Okay. If you want, and decide where you want to save it. So maybe I'm just going to save it to the desktop. But say I still want to work with all my layers. I still want to work with all my layers. I want to have all this available to me next time that I open this. You will continue to save it as a Photoshop file. This will allow you to have, when you open it, all those layers still. When you're completely done with it, that's when you go and make it a JPEG for me and then save that. Let me move this down a little bit so you can see it. Then you would save that and then you would find that and save that to me. All right. Again, if you want to continue to work on all your stuff, you need to save it as a Photoshop file. So File, Save As, and make it a Photoshop file. If not, then make it a JPEG. And you could change that in the Save As type, and you will make it a JPEG. All right. Again, any questions? Always let me know. I'm always here. Thanks, guys. Bye.